Good morning, Rock Nation! I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Kasama ko ngayon sa bahay nila si...
Russell po.
Kamusta po ang pinaka nagiging concern niyo sa katawan?
So as of now, yun nga, parang stiff neck. So may limitations pag nakinaangat. And then lower back. And then sa ankle side. And then shoulders din minsan.
Any incident or accident before na related?
Sa ankle, yun nga, medyo natapilok ako noon, time na yun.
Sa sports ba ito nakakuha?
Sa bahay, actually sa CR, natapilok ako. And then last year, June or July, July, na-aksidente ako. So sa motor. So before may fracture ako, pero
Saan?
okay naman na sa ribs.
Sa ribs?
Yeah,
Okay.
before. Pero
Anong
okay
pinaka-diagnosis noon?
may minimal fracture lang siya.
Okay, minimal.
Oo,
Very
so
good.
eventually, okay naman na.
Healed na.
Healed na siya.
Magkakaroon tayo ng physical test. Ready ka na?
Sure.
Sige, posture up. Walang ngalay.
Wala naman.
Very
Sige.
good.
Oo.
Sige, turn to your left, your right. O saan yung merong limitation or mabigat
Dito.
or masikip? Here.
Oo.
Okay.
Ayan, medyo masakit na dyan.
Masakit na.
Oo. So ano na, dito.
Black na.
Oo.
Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng masikip na part. Kamusta po?
Okay naman siya.
Wala namang connection here.
Wala naman.
Nice. Kaya?
Kahit
Masikip? Anything else?
dito.
Mhm.
Sa side.
More on right.
Sa right.
Ilagpas po sa tenga. Masikip?
Right talaga,
The
right.
normal is about here. Ayan. Okay. Nagka-cramps ka?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. This one. How is it?
Masakit siya dito. Both.
More on sa lateral support. Alright. Back bend. Very good. Nakakapunta naman. Kamusta naman ang pakiramdam?
Okay naman.
Wala namang pain.
Wala naman.
Okay. Merong misalignment. Here ay medyo mataas. Ito
Okay.
may mababa. No? Ang nangyayari ay medyo nakataas ito. So yung ribs mo rin ay nagkakaroon ng, nako-compromise din. Ang nangyayari ay itong scapula mo ay nagbibigay daan doon sa pinaka-deformation na nangyayari dito sa ating upper thoracic. Okay. Bend down. How is it?
Okay naman siya.
Kabila. And up. Kamusta yan?
Okay naman.
Very good. Wala namang something else na
Wala naman.
tumutusok.
Wala naman.
Very good. Kamusta po yan? Mabigat ba? May ngalay sa lower back? Anything?
Wala naman.
Wala naman? Okay. Sige. How's that? Medyo mababa ito ng konti.
Itong kabila.
Mabigat? Okay, down. Nice. Very clear naman ito. Alex, good. Nice. Good. Clear. Good. Clear. Nice. Nice. Nice one. Nice. How was it?
Mas okay siya lang.
Mas light? Mas mataas? Very good. Nice one. See yung rotation here? Good. Good. Nice. Okay, so clear naman. Good. Nice. Nice one. Clear. Nice one. Nice. Okay. Clear. Very good. Clear. Nice. Clear again. Nice one. Nice. Oh, clear. Oh, clear naman.
Cute.
Nice one. Nice. Nice one. Nice one. Nice. Very clear. This one. Two.
Same.
Sensitive. Number 3.
Less than.
Number 4. And number 5.
Meron, pero less.
Good. Number 2.
Yeah.
Number 4. And 5.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Relax ang shoulder. Nice one. How is it?
Lesser.
Nice. Sensitive ba?
Lesser.
Good. Number good. 4
Lesser.
and 5. See? See the difference? Good.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, and 5.
Mhm.
Very good. Last one. Relax ang kamay. Go. Right there. Go. Downside. Ito. Tignan mo to.
Yeah, hindi ka kayo. Magkalim.
Up again. How was it?
Ayan, pala kanina.
Very good. Okay. Very clear. Last one up. Good. Nice one. Good. Last one here. Okay. Okay, clear naman. Snap lang. Nice. Nice. Good morning again, Rock Nation. We're done with
Russell?
Russell. Kamusta ang pinaka-experience ng procedure ng therapy natin?
Okay naman, relieving. Tsaka magaan sa pakiramdam. Yeah.
So ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng physical test again.
Okay.
Ready ka na?
Yep.
Yan, posture up. Turn to your left. To your right. How is it?
That's good.
Mas?
Mas nakakatingin
Mas nakaka-turn ka.
Not like before.
Kanina ay kailangan ko pang i-push.
Okay.
Ngayon
Yeah.
is 90 degrees. May pain pa?
Nope.
Nice. And all the way up, dikit sa tenga. Oh, see this one?
Yep, the difference.
Mas maluwag, mas easy.
Mas easy siya.
Very good.
Yes,
That's good.
madali siyang iangat.
Good.
Yeah.
Any sikip?
Meron, yeah, dito sa rocks
More
pa
off?
rin. Yeah.
Here?
Yes.
Okay, sige. Ayusin natin yan. Same, masikip pa din. Back bend. Go. How is it?
It's good.
Good.
Yep.
So last na. Lateral support. Okay? 3, 2, and 1. Very good. 2, and 1. Very good.
Hindi na siya ganun ka tight
Tight.
dito. Oo.
Very good. Happy?
Yep.